In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Wave.video. We'll keep things simple and use a Google account so you can get in quickly without creating a new password. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to Wave.video. You should land on the official homepage. Take a quick look at the address bar to confirm you see the secure padlock and the exact domain. This is a good habit anytime you're signing up for a new service. On the homepage, look toward the top right and click Sign Up. If you're on a smaller screen, you might need to open the site menu first to see it. This takes you to the account creation page. Here, choose Sign Up with Google. It's the fastest route because it links your existing Google profile and email and saves you from managing another set of credentials. A Google window will open with an account chooser. Click the Google account you want associated with Wave.video. If you juggle personal and work accounts, double-check you're selecting the one you plan to use for projects or collaboration. If you're not already signed into Google in this browser, you may be prompted to enter your login or confirm your identity. If a pop-up blocker prevents the account chooser from opening, allow the pop-up and try again. Using a current version of Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari will give you the smoothest experience. Next, you'll see Google's consent screen. Review the details so you understand what Wave.video is requesting, typically your basic profile and email address. This lets Wave.video create your user and keep you signed in. When you're ready, click Continue to approve. If you use two-step verification on your Google account, complete that prompt. It adds security and only takes a moment. After approval, you'll be redirected back to Wave.video, signed in with your new account. Depending on the current onboarding flow, you may see a welcome screen, a short tour, or options to explore editing, recording, multi-streaming, and hosting. Give the page a second to finish loading on your first visit, and consider bookmarking the site so it's easy to return later. If you ever need to sign back in, use the Sign In link on the homepage and choose Google again. That's all it takes. You went from the home page to a confirmed sign-in with just a few clicks. If the layout looks a little different on your screen, don't worry. Websites change designs over time, but the Sign Up button and the Google option are typically in similar spots. You're now ready to start creating with Wave.video. Thanks for watching and have fun building your next video.